Doug McDermott in the game. Now Edmond Sumner as well. That's Sumner with the floater that's good. He just tossed it up over the 7-footer Bamba.
Goes up to get it. But the pass intended for Troy is stolen. Holiday, one hands it, leap, trying to go up. Denied by Alex Len. Outside, Sumner. That's a three-pointer.
Boy, this kid can shoot the ball.
Slammed the stanchion in disgust. Pacers the other way. Catch and shoot. Three ball is good by Sumner.
And something that we talked about.
Sumner. In and out, back in.
Oh, this is a game.
Guys are competitive. Knock this down because this is the question. Doing that allows him to play. The bench is all up.
On Friday night. O'Quinn to a cutting Sumner.